American Roller provides rollers. We're an industry solution for roller needs. We're one of the world leaders in rollers, whether it's for the printing industry, medical equipment, or small business machines, coil coating. We touch on all markets, anywhere from automotive to housing to construction. We looked at using a 3D software about 4 years ago and kind of thought we were just a 2D house, didn't need it. Once our customers started sending in more 3D models, 3D drawings, and seeing the advantages of going to 3D, that's when we decided to take a deeper look into it.
We'd been encouraging American Roller to move from 2D design to 3D, but the concern was that the nature of their design wouldn't justify moving to a 3D model. They became interested in 3D as some of their clients began to use it more, and they wanted to keep up.
One of our concerns at American Roller when transitioning to the 3D software was the amount of time it was going to take to go from the 2D to the 3D. With the MasterGraphics training, we were able to transition in a week. The reason why we chose Autodesk Inventor was it translated very well with Autodesk drawings that we've had from AutoCAD. It was a legacy transfer, it was very smooth, very simple.
In the 3D realm, the solution is very intuitive. Changes can be made very quickly, and quite frankly, it's as easy to use as some of the 2D products that are out there. 3D actually provides a better visual of the products. It helps to conceptualize more clearly what the design intent is. One of the aspects of 3D modeling is that on the front end you can test the model, you can prototype the model virtually, do analysis on it, really understand what you're getting into before you actually go to the physical prototype and incur all of those costs and time.
One of the advantages of the 3D software is we see less mistakes out of our engineering group. We're able to depict clearer what we want to show on the drawings and what our finished part should look like. Working with 3D, it actually brought fun back to the job. Working 2D, it's flat lines. There's no excitement in a 2D drawing. When you build the first 3D model and you actually get to see it developed from prototype all the way to a finished product, it brought fun back. Guys are enjoying sitting behind a computer for a few hours modeling up a part compared to drawing lines. If you took Inventor away from me, I'd probably find a new job. Well, the training from MasterGraphics was off the shelf but also customized. The trainer we had in our class from MasterGraphics was very open to changing if we had questions. We started with an off-the-shelf book, but he customized it as class as we asked questions, changed it, very flexible.
Probably the biggest advantage of having MasterGraphics involved in the training is our application engineers come from industry. They have the experience and the knowledge of what customers are trying to do in the design realm. What we do for customers is that we come in and understand their needs, assess the platforms that they're moving to, and then create a customized training plan specifically for them.
American Roller has used on-site training from MasterGraphics, plus we've also visited their facility and did a level 2 training at their facility. So we've seen both sides of it, and both sides of it have been excellent. Typically, if we have an issue with the 3D software, we call MasterGraphics, and we've always had some live person on the phone answering the questions. If they couldn't answer right then and there, it was always a same-day response back. The MasterGraphics call-in support, they can log onto our screen and help us through issues, whether by showing us how to do it or talk us step by step on how to solve the problem that we're having. Our customers and our vendors have both replied back with how clear our prints look, the level of detail that's been improved from the 2D drawings. We're able to show actual true weights of a product. The inertia is able to be developed a lot easier, and which translates into better FEA analysis of the rollers. The competitive advantages of the 3D software is better detail, truer to life parts on the screen that the customer is going to see inside of their machine. We can show our customers our 3D drawings and say, here's what we're going to give you, here's how we designed it. They can see how it works, they can see the level of detail that we take it down to.
What we'd like to do is bring in a technical expert to assess the current situation in the customer site, understand their workflow, and understand the goals that they have and what they want to move to.
MasterGraphics has always been there for us. They're truthful, they know our industry, they understand our needs, and they're great to work with.